Today, working on schematic diagram like this, into panel layout like this, there are still so many engineers who made them in the basic 2D CAD, which we know it is so complicated and limited. Follow me in the next couple of minutes. With SolidWorks Electrical, we could produce them in a simple, easy, and accurate way. Different with basic 2D CAD, you could make your drawing into a project directly with SolidWorks Electrical. So, it will inform you all of your documents in the same binder or map. Managing location is needed to make you put or track your component based on its locations in the panel. By doing this, we could identify which place of every component we insert into single line diagram. Making the electrical scheme, we are going to make everything in detail. For example, we start from making the wiring details. Rather than creating each line like in the basic 2D CAD, we could draw wiring detail easily in SolidWorks Electrical. We could choose the phase we need and put it in the graphic area. Any of dot connection between wires are automatically generated directly by SolidWorks Electrical. So easy and fast. Inserting symbols are also very simple. SolidWorks Electrical contains of 1,000 symbols based on categories of the components. When we insert the symbol into the wire will automatically be trimmed to show us that they are connected. We know that almost all of electrical parts are standard parts. So every symbol we insert, we could give the manufacturer part. SolidWorks Electrical contains of millions data bank of manufacturer parts. By doing this, engineers could identify directly which manufacturer they should buy for every symbols they insert in the diagram. Doing panel layout is so easy in SolidWorks Electrical. We could simply click on the icon 2D cabinet layout to get the panel layout interface. And all of your symbols for your panel are automatically shown in the tree. So you could add them into your panel. You could use standard manufacturer parts or even your own custom. We could search them all in SolidWorks Electrical by using any of information we have. For example, the reference number of the standard components. We could just simply right-click and insert the 2D components onto the graphic area to start the layout. For wire duct and rails, after we insert them, we could modify the length to fit the box panel that we have. So, you will get the perfect measurements of your part. After all the base has been inserted, then we insert all the main part. We could place any of our components in the box as we plan in the schematic. All of the shape information has automatically generated after we select the manufacturer part in the schematic diagram. By doing the panel layout, we could get direct measure of the layout for its components, so it will make sure the dimensions of the box panel is enough for all of the components. For the components which we plan to be inserted side to side, we could insert them all directly into the box panel and set the space between them. Finally, one of the best things in SolidWorks Electrical is about generating reports. We could get bill of materials, list of wires, and also any connection of wires which connected into every components in our diagrams. All we should do is just clicking single command. So easy and fast. SolidWorks Electrical allows every engineer to make electrical drawing and doing panel layout with easy way, simple and accurate. Contact us for more detailed info and get special promotions.